You ever wondered what one of the most important resources is? The correct answer is water. Water is 70% of the earth, but only 3% is actually drinkable. The human body is also 70% water. So how does the water get distributed? The answer is the water cycle. The water cycle distributes water all over the earth. Water is the cycle of life after all. Because what would any organism be without water? Water plays a huge role in everything organisms do. But our resources are slowly dwindling. This is why we have to help Mother Nature, her organisms, and her plants. All of Earth's organisms need water. With the constant and growing human populations, it is much harder for organisms to find the water they need to survive. Water loss of the environment is called a drought. And a drought can cause massive problems because just think of salmon. Salmon rely on water to survive. But without water, they will end up going extinct. But then think of bears. Bears eat salmon. Bears are a natural predator of salmon. But with all the salmon gone, what would bears have to eat? Nothing. So bears will end up going extinct too. But it's not just animals who struggle with water loss. Humans do too. When humans don't have water to drink, they end up being dehydrated. You may think that if we run out of fresh water, we can just drink salt water, but we can't. The effect on a human's kidneys is actually terrible. If you drink salt water, if you end up drinking salt water, your body has to urinate more than you actually ended up drinking, meaning you will become even more dehydrated. If that happens, there's no telling what will happen next. You may end up dying. This is why we actually have to fix our problem. We have to work together to figure out how to fix the water supply. You're probably thinking, can't we just purify salt water? No, we can't. It costs 10 times more to purify salt water than it does to recycle regular water. So this is why we have to work together to fix it. Here are some ways to fix it. Turn off the water when you brush your teeth, take a shower, and wash your hands. You can also do larger loads of laundry. You may need to fix any leaks, because not only does this cause a huge loss in water, but it also causes a huge loss in your money. It's called your water bill. Here are a couple other things to work on. Make sure that you turn off all outdoor water appliances, along with not watering your plants outside when it's raining. Because when it's raining, you're pretty much just wasting water, because rainwater is pure water. Unless it's acidic. A way to fix acidic water is to not pollute. Pollution is a huge problem in Earth as well. Because water pollution kills animals, because if they eat plastic, it gets caught in their throat. It also gets caught around them, causing them to die off. Water pollution also turns fresh, clean water into water that can kill you due to diseases. Water pollution includes trash, plastic, waste, and toxic chemicals from power plants. A way to fix water pollution is when you go to a lake or river, leave the river and lake as cleaner than you found it. Don't just leave your trash there, because it also causes a huge effect in the scenery. I mean, think, would you rather go to a trashy place, or would you rather go to a clean, happy place? I know. In conclusion, you may be thinking that there isn't a lot we can do, but there is. If we all work together, we can help. Even you, by yourself, can help. Thank you.